my Jazzy crew. Hey, my Jazzy crew. Hey, my Jazzy crew. Hey, my Jazzy crew. Hey, my Jazzy crew. How's everybody doing today? Your girl is doing amazing. As always, y'all. Yes, y'all. So listen, what I have prepared for you today is some leftover king crab, snow crab, shrimps, broccoli. I got my beloved Smackalicious sauce. It's kind of hot, y'all, but woo-hoo. Got that Smackalicious. Then, so y'all, I'm trying some noodles, some new noodles, which is right here. So the noodles I'm trying, you guys, is these hot chicken flavor ramen noodles. This mala. But there you go. So yes, y'all, so we are doing that. I hate when my thing. Okay. So, anywho. So listen, y'all, but before we get into this, let's do what we know best. Let's pray, you guys. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food I'm about to receive. Father God, thank you for waking me up this morning. Let me see another beautiful day. And let it be nourished to my body. In your name I pray. Amen. Amen, y'all. So let's get it. Let me go and put this up on these ramen noodles before they get cold. Oh, you know what? I should put a little bit more water down in there. Hey, hand me that pot real quick.
Hey, that pot, man.
Yeah, real fast. And pour it in here. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. All right.
Alright. Okay, that should be enough.
Should be in there. You don't want no dry noodles.
No dry noodles. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put these little spices on here. So y'all got leftover king crabs and snow crabs again, you know, from yesterday. You know, you don't want to let that type of stuff go to waste. And then here's just the hot part of it. The hot part.
You have issues?
I got it. Ooh, this stuff is thick too, y'all. But yeah, I'm about to do this challenge that the Key, Kim, and the fam got at. I'm just waiting for my sauce to come through the mail. Should be here Friday, y'all. Sit there right there. Are you gonna go to the store?
I'll wait for that time first.
Oh. Alright, y'all. So we about to get it in. How y'all doing? Hi, my Miss Cinnamon and my Miss Rochelle. All my awesome ladies. Y'all, thank you for all the new subscribers that came in. I had a couple of new subscribers. I appreciate it. Say, ooh. What it? Oh, God, gee. All right. Oh, y'all know I got no other than y'all. That water. I wonder who is this calling me from a 402 number. Yeah, water. Yes, y'all drink that water. Thank you. That's probably a phone call I probably need too. But whatever.
It is what it is.
That's right. I'm not stopping. No video for it. Y'all, and I also got some cucumbers, some lemons, and some orange. Ooh, that's pretty hot. But it's good, though. That flavor. That flavor, y'all, is awesome. Mm. 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 Woo, wait, that's hot. Yeah, and some sausages got warmed up in here because I warmed it up. I had some from the other day for my seafood boil, so I warmed it all up together. Mm. Let's see how these turned out. Leftover shrimps, y'all. So, I'm getting my song together, y'all. I'm about to be doing that video for my mom. And get it on over with. So, y'all can laugh at me. Nah. Nah. I'm going to go ahead and do it, though. And get it on out the way for her. Mm. Mm-mm. That sauce is hot. Hot from the heat, y'all. Alright, let's see how these turned out. Uh-oh. Maybe this wasn't quite ready. I don't think this is ready. Mm-mm. It's still cold. Mm-mm-mm. Well, y'all. I don't know. I didn't check it before I took it out the oven. Mm. Yep. Mm-mm. Okay, eat these. Babe, turn that oven on for me. So, look like we just gonna be doing these noodles. Sorry, y'all. But, nope. Here, put it back in the oven for me.
Put it back in the oven?
Yeah. Put it back in the oven. I'm gonna have to eat this off camera.
Sure thing, Jazzy V. Give it here.
We're gonna have to eat that off. I'm sorry, y'all. But, it wasn't, nope, at all. Nope, not ready. I can't do it. Woo. That sauce is hot. Up here. I'm sorry, y'all, but I can't do it because they still cold. I don't know why I thought they was ready. Hey, Miss, that hood girl to the hood. I understand what you was talking about when you was saying about praying in the middle of the night. When I get up in the middle of the night, when I get up to go to the bathroom sometimes, I don't know if this is the same for you, but for me, like, I be thinking, I think crazy and I have anxiety attacks sometimes. So, like, when I wake up, I have these weird type of feelings or thoughts or whatever. So, when I wake up to go to the bathroom, like, when I come back to get back in the bed, I always say, thank you, Jesus, you know. Always. I always thank God.
I'll be back.
Okay. I always thank God, Miss Good. I mean, Miss Hood. Every time. Even if I just open my eyes, I always just say thank you, God, sometimes. Y'all got that water. I'm going to pour it in my lemon. On my lemons. I like lemon water, y'all. This right here It's hot. Woo! Child, listen here. Woo, this is hot. I got some sausages down in here too, y'all. Ooh. That's hot. Ooh. I thought I had a spoon. I got 2 forks. And I thought I had a spoon. So y'all, people have been getting their stimulus checks, honey. I haven't got mine yet, but which I'm not in a hurry for, because guess what? My stimulus check, and it sounded like when I was watching the news, y'all, I don't know. Y'all, let me know if y'all know if I'm right or not. But But it sounds like they talking about giving people 2 stimulus checks. Because they was like, yeah, we already got 1 stimulus check coming out to people already. So I don't know. Y'all think they going to give us 2 or what? Have you guys received y'all's yet? I haven't received mine yet again. But when they do come, mine's going to the rent. Some of it going to my rent. I ain't playing with these people. And then they done laid my husband off. But the thing is with him, at first he was when he moved up here, he had been on his job for 5 years up here. And then that job that he was on, he had got the job through a temp service. And so he had got permanently hired. And so after 5 years of him working there, they laid him off. So he ended up getting his unemployment, whatever. So then he waited. So he ended up applying for. He went through the temp service again and applied for a job, and he got it. But of course, he was through temp service. They laid him off. I don't even know if he can apply for unemployment, but it told him we gonna try. It don't hurt to try. Just like I thought I wasn't gonna get it. I thought I wasn't gonna get unemployment because of my disability. But nope, that didn't happen. That wasn't true, because I still got it, because I ended up getting it. But honey, woo, y'all, this sauce, when I tell you, woo, when I tell you, this sauce ain't no joke. These noodles, rather, the sauce that's in it, hell, I mean, shoot. Honey, whoo, well, I tell you, my mouth, woo, and then the fact that, I'm telling you, they don't mix. When you got some good hot fire sauce, and then the sauce is hot from the heat. Ooh. That two together. Ooh, that orange was help soothe my mouth. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. Y'all, I don't know. Woo! I tell you. Mm, 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 mm. Chow, chow, chow. Y'all, thanks for everybody who watched my video yesterday. I thank you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you ladies. Everybody that subscribed to my channel again. Like, subscribe, comment. Excuse me, sorry y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video, y'all. And then guess what else? Guess what else you can do, y'all? Yes. Guess what else it is? Y'all. Ring that bell. Ring that bell. Hey. Ring that bell. Ring that bell. Ring that bell, y'all. So that way you can be notified every time your girl, Jazzy V, posts a video. Y'all listen. That sauce hit that throat. Woo, baby. And listen, y'all. I tell you, this here, I need my crab legs and stuff to get hot. That's what I want to eat. I got a couple of pieces in here too. Mm, mm, mm. Girl. Chow, chow, chow. Woo, let me screw some of this up in her. Up in her. Mm, 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 mm. I don't know if I should get up. I need to check on my leftover, I should have put it in the microwave. That's what I should have did. Mm. I don't know if I get up. Y'all might see I got on some shorts, y'all. You know how you just lounge around in the house and your little stuff? Because, I mean, you ain't going nowhere. And I ain't about to do all that. Putting all these clothes on and makeup on. I'm in the house quarantine. I mean, you know. I mean, granted, it's okay. Every now and then, it's good to want to do that. And, you know, make yourself up and put on nice, decent little clothes or whatnot. It's okay, but not every day. Not every day. When you're not going nowhere. But also, y'all, what your girl gonna try to do, well, she can do it. I can do it if I want to. And I want to. Let me say that. But I think that I'm going to settle down off of eating. Going back to what I used to do. I didn't eat pasta over 2 years. Yeah. And I kind of think I want to go back to that for a minute. I didn't eat no pasta. No macaroni and cheese. I wouldn't eat no rice. None of that. No potatoes. If I did eat potatoes, I eat very few, very little, maybe one or two because of my videos, because of my seafood boils or whatnot. Oh my God, so my time is up, y'all. So listen, y'all. I know it's not. I'm good. I thought I was like, dang, my little time went fast. But yeah, so I went like 2 years. I went 2 years actually without eating any pasta or noodles. But then I just recently started back. I just recently started back eating pastas and noodles and all that when I started my videos. And the reason why also I started back eating noodles and all that and rice and pasta is to, make sure I get all my nutrients, and proteins and all that in my system, in my body or whatever, because I was a cancer patient. And I ended up putting myself back in the hospital because I wasn't getting all I was taking all that out, exercising, not eating that, and I wasn't putting it back into my body. And so I got obsessed with my weight, because I didn't want to be big no more, because I used to be 230 pounds. And so I started just going berserk with this weight loss. So, but anyway, so yeah, I've been doing good, but I feel like I need to go back to, I exercise every day anyway. So I'm thinking about, though, going back to that. I'm going to see. I'm not for sure yet. I'm not saying that yet, but we'll see. But y'all, I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm going to have to get up. I hope y'all don't get to see too much. Oh, y'all can't. Good. Okay. So yeah, y'all, so I am so sorry. I don't know if, so listen. I can say, where my thing at? Okay. We agree to see y'all. Oh shit, shoot. Let's see. Oh, I think this is it. Uh-oh. 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 I think this is it. It's hot. I got to be careful. Yes, yeah, we might get a few minutes in of me eating the snow and the king crab. Got to turn this off, y'all. All right. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Your girl wanted this, though. Got to have it. Say I gotta have it. All right, let's see how this works. Let's see. This is hot. This is hot. I'm trying to pull it close to me. But that's why I need one of those. I'm going to give me one of those things. I've been seeing everybody having them. All right. Let's see how this works. Woohoo. All right. Let's get this king crab. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited to see how higher. Okay. Well, it ain't that hot. That's alright. It's better than what it was at first. Let's say that. It'll be hot when I dip it in this. When I dip it in B-Love sauce. Smackalicious. I got that song. A smackalicious. Ooh. I'm thinking I'm showing it and talking about it. I got that song. A smackalicious. Let's get it in. Baby! My broccoli almost burnt up. This is good. Right. Let's try shrimp. How's everybody been holding up during the quarantine situation? Seems like everybody doing okay. Actually, you got no choice. I mean, you got a choice, but you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. Mm. Now that shrimp was good. Yeah. Y'all, them noodles wasn't bad. To me, they taste the same because of that fire sauce. I'm really not a noodle. Reminds you, I'm not even a noodles person, okay, y'all? I don't eat noodles, really. I just started eating noodles because of this channel. And because... I like hot food. But when I started watching the Mukbang channels, I see a lot of people eat these noodles and stuff. I used to see B-Love eating them and all that, the Keycham and the fam. You know. And so, they make it look so just delicious. It makes you want some. So it made my nose run. But yeah, so, but they're not bad. They just on fire. They hot. Okay. They didn't turn out bad in here. In the oven. I got this from doing it in the oven from, I was watching one of Miss, who was, I think I've seen several people though say they put it in the oven, but, I was watching Miss Diversity 3. And she was saying that she had put her her stuff up in the oven. I was like, okay, but I know people said that they cook theirs in the oven too. So I'm gonna check that out because I've never done that. This is my first time doing this too. But of course we're not gonna eat all this on camera, y'all, because of my time. But how's all my ladies doing? How's my Miss eating good? She been getting down and dirty in the kitchen on this food, honey. All this stuff she doing. Today she had fish and fries. But look at she been having them greens and them yams, honey, that macaroni and cheese and that everything. Yes. Hi, Miss that hood girl to the hood. Hi, my Miss This Veggie World. Hi, my Lisa Michelle Show. Hi, my Miss Kicking It with Lynn. Hello to everybody, to all my new subscribers. Thank you, thank you. I've gotten 2 or 3 new subscribers in. Amazing. I appreciate it so much. And I hope you stay and I hope you enjoy the content and everything else in the videos. They will progress. They will get better as time goes by. Y'all, your girl is over here. I'm gonna have to. I left my scissors over there. But anyway, so your girl is over here. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at these snow crabs. Ooh. But y'all, I have to wipe my hands because I am like, when I tell you, I am drenched, sweating over here. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Man. Y'all look. Look at that. Look at that sweat. That's how I sweat. When I go into hot flashes, this is what I do. Whew. This is what happens. Do anybody else have that problem? All right, y'all, listen. Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Share her video. Comment on her video and ring that bell so that way you'll be notified every time your girl Jazzy V posts a video. Okay, y'all? I love y'all. Peace, love, and happiness. I'm saying that now because I'm going to see how long I can really go and if this goes into a second video. Because if not, I'm going to keep it rolling. Why not? I ain't done yet. So why not? Why not keep it rolling? Whoa. Why not keep it rolling? I just want to see what it's going to do. Because it used to do me like that when I first started out doing videos. And I go over past 30 minutes. It always go into 2 videos. Every time. I be like, dang it. So then here it goes that you got 2 videos. And then the second video will come out before the first video. The first part. Part 1 will come out before part... No, part 2 will come out before part 1 video. You know what I'm saying. So, yeah.